In this video, I'll show you how you can change your IP address on Windows 11 in plain English. I'm going to explain everything as I do it. We can get this done in a couple of minutes, and I won't mention any technical details or technical jargon to you. So here it is. What you need to do is go to the search bar and type in CMD. Once you've got the command prompt open, type in ipconfig. So that is ipconfig. Click enter and it will show you your current IP address. So before we can change it, we need to know what it currently is. In our case, it is 192.168. Then you might have a different number here and different numbers here. This is your IP address. Now let's go ahead and change it. So keep command prompt open, go to the search bar and type in control panel. Go ahead and open up control panel. From here, change it from large icons and make sure it's on categories. Then click on network and internet. Then click network and sharing center. And then here you'll see your current Wi-Fi connection. Go ahead and click on that. Then you can go to properties. And here you should see Internet Protocol version 4. Go ahead and double click on that. And then this window will open. By default, it will be on obtain an IP address automatically. Click on use the following IP address. And what we can do is then type out a new IP address. There are some rules, so follow along. So go ahead and open up CMD and open up this window. Once you've got them both side by side, we can go ahead and see our current IP4 address, which is 192.168.1.109. Go ahead and type out the start in here. And once you've wrote these three numbers here, 192.168 and the following number, you can then go ahead and make up any number between 0 and 255 for this final one. This is you creating a new IP. I'll just put 46 for the video. Then if you go to subnet mask and click on it, it should automatically fill out like that. And then where it says default gateway, you need to go and copy whatever it is here. So for me, that is 192.168.1.1. Now for the preferred DNS server, you need to type 8.8.8.8 and then for the alternative 8.8.4.4. Then if you filled this incorrectly, you've got your IP address and you've changed the last numbers, only the last ones. You've got your subnet mask, which would have filled in automatically, the default gateway, which is copied from here, and then the DNS server copied like this, exactly as shown on screen. Click OK, and it then will update. Click OK again and close. Now type in ipconfig again, and we can essentially check if we've changed it. And now, as you can see, our new IP4 address has been changed to this .46, and before it was .109. Thank you for watching. That's how you do it.